was thinking about how thankful I am today. And if each day we notice the today, then we have an entire year of thankfulness. If only each day we take a moment and say, I'm so thankful today, then all those 2 days equal an entire year. And if you do that every year for the next 10 years, and on, you get the gist, right? I just wanted to share that. All right. My pleasure.